To transfer data from iPhone to OnePlus 15R, we can use an app that we already have on OnePlus 15R, which is the Clone Phone app. So in this case, of course, we can go ahead and open the Clone Phone app. And of course, we want to select that OnePlus 15R is the new device. We want to migrate the data from Apple. And then we have the QR code icon that we will have to scan. But first, we're going to go to the App Store on our iPhone. And then you can search for the Clone Phone app. There we go. And you should be able to find the Clone Phone for Oppo, Realme, and OnePlus. So this is the one that we are looking for. And we want to open it. Now we want to select that this is the old phone. You can choose everything that should be that you should be able to transfer. So let's say I'm gonna keep it as it is, and we're gonna tap on continue, and then grant all the necessary permissions. Now we're gonna share all the contacts. We want to allow the full access and everything. Now we should be able to scan the QR code that we have in here. So let's do so, and then confirm that you want to join the network. And now we need to wait. If needed, at the bottom you will also find an option to connect manually in case something goes wrong. You can choose what data you want to transfer now, so you can choose contacts, photos, and videos. So let's say I'm gonna just choose photos only, and then we need to tap on migrate. And now just wait for everything to be transferred. The more data you have to transfer, the longer it will take to do so. But once you are done, you should be able to tap on done on both devices, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.